Imagine a tree operator walking through a park, and effortlessly to scan every tree around him to know its species, age, and how it contributes to the ecosystem, all with a simple scan. QR codes are revolutionizing tree tagging and identification. By attaching a unique QR code to each tree, we link it directly to a comprehensive database. This technology offers more than just convenience. It's a gateway to efficient data management, enhanced public engagement, and streamlined tree maintenance. For landscape and garden professionals, QR codes simplify tracking tree care schedules and health assessments. Urban parks, botanical gardens, and municipalities can now maintain accurate tree inventories, monitor health, and prioritize conservation efforts all in real time. QR code tree tags can even drive productivity, making it easier for everyone and save time in tree planting and maintenance with just a quick scan. The integration of QR codes and tree tagging is transforming the landscape and garden industry. It's a perfect blend of technology and nature, benefiting professionals. As this innovation continues to evolve, it promises to play an even more significant role in sustainable environmental management. We are very happy to compile these QR codes on trees for your learning.